Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the failed to connect to server connection aborted by peer error in Hytale. So if your game won't connect and you keep seeing this message, just follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, click on the search bar on your computer and type View Network Connections. Open it. Now find your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection, right-click on it and select Properties. Scroll down until you find Internet Protocol version 4, also called IPv4. Click on it once, then click Properties. Here, select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS, type 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS, type 8.8.4.4. Now check the box that says Validate Settings upon exit, then click OK to save everything. Next, let's fix your date and time settings, because incorrect time can also cause connection problems. Go back to the search bar, type Date and Time Settings, and open it. Make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both turned on. Then scroll down and click Sync Now to refresh your system time. If the error still isn't fixed, the last thing we need to do is update your Hytale launcher. Sometimes this issue happens because your game version doesn't match the person you're trying to connect with. So open your launcher, check for updates, install the latest version, and then restart the game. And that's it. Your connection error in Hytale should now be fixed, and you should be able to play without any issues. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials and easy fixes.